Wish you a very happy World Heart Day. Saffola Life, the CSR initiative by Saffola, inspired India by showcasing how simple lifestyle changes, specifically staying active, eating better and being happy, are actually small steps to a healthy heart. World Heart Federation revealed that these modifications can make your heart up to 50% healthier. Saffola Life launched the Healthy Lifestyle Score. Let's listen in to the celebrity experts.
Being happy. See, I think you and me are connected. They eat and then they get happy, and that's why I'm at 55. And that's why Shilpa's not doing 2 minutes 35 because then they don't want to work.
India needs to wake up to becoming slightly more active. But more importantly, I think we need to also emphasize the fact that it's an amalgam of all three that keeps the heart healthy. And it's a very noble initiative on the part of Saffola Life. I know researchers and science says that when you want to stay fit, it's 70-30, and it's 70% nutrition and 30% some kind of fitness regime. And also, people forget to mention that staying happy is a very important part, being positive, because that really works in your cortisol levels, and your attitude obviously will affect your heart, your mind. So I really think it's a great mix of all these three, and if you want a healthy and a happy heart, you have to keep these three things in mind. Maybe in the evening, go down for a walk. And that to walk, it's not no longer a brisk walk. You see people walking like, better है घर पे बैठते
फोन पे बातें करते हुए. But Shilpa, they are also escaping potholes. You must understand. 2-3 लोग तो वहाँ चले गए. Few family members are just swimming around.
This is why we have science. No, but I just think that taking should
Happy on what? On the happiness. On happiness.
No, on just overall happy heart.
Saffola Life.
Saffola Life lifestyle. Alright, so I scored a 90. Yes, I won.
Actually you guys can, it's very simple. If you want to know what your Saffola Healthy Lifestyle Score is, it's very easy. Go to saffolalife.com on your mobile right now. It's a beautiful, simple questionnaire. Just answer whatever the options are.
Quick fixes like ready-made packet food. पहले पैकेट के पीछे का देखिए जब आप बच्चों को खिला रहे हैं उसके साथ. मैं समझ सकती हूँ कि everyone's very busy in life. We've all got day jobs and we are all so tired at the end of it all. लेकिन जो एडवांटेज है इंडियन होने का, हमारा खाना बहुत कम समय में पक सकता है. तो थोड़ा सा अगर आप ब्रेन लगाएंगे तो हम इतनी सारी चीजें अचीव कर लेते हैं अपनी जिंदगी में. आई थिंक दिस इज जस्ट अ स्मॉल लाइफस्टाइल शिफ्ट एंड aerated drinks to please.
I find that the first thing is that there's too much pressure on all of us, man. It's okay to just say these things, be happy, do this, do that, but we live very high stressed lives. We have a lot of decisions on a daily basis. We have so many expectations from our own existence. That I've come to realize that earlier you can't be happy all the time, and chasing it is also an exhausting process. So I think that it's about time that you need to be active and you need to take time out for that, and you need to worry about what you're eating, and because it's the nutrition that feeds you. I think it's important to spend a little time just of doing things and simple things. Like just counting your many blessings, just calling up an old friend, accepting that you're not feeling happy all the time, you're feeling sad, and discussing that with people. I know so many people who keep all their stress and sometimes even depression in themselves, and you wonder, they always seem so happy on the outside.
Especially in the world of technology.
In the world of technology and everything. So first, if you're not feeling great about something, accept it, talk to people, open your heart to the world around you, count your many blessings, and do simple stuff, but you have to do it like you'd work out. Give yourselves at least 10 minutes a day to feel good about yourself. Pat yourself on the back, because I guarantee in the world we live in, there's a lot of stuff out there that's going to keep making you feel mildly inadequate, because that's how they get you to do things. So you need to decide how good you want to feel about yourself, because life's going to keep throwing stuff at you, and how you react to it is your only choice, right? So I think that's what I'm going to emphasize.